students, now I'm going to start question number 1 of exercise 9.1. Now in this question we have list 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Now what is rational number? Rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, in which Q can never be 0. Okay, so suppose if I take a number say 2 by 3 or 4 by 5, these all are rational number. Now we have -1 and 0. So -1, here we have no denominator, so we can consider as 1. So that means this -1 can be expressed in the form of P by Q. So this is also rational number. Similarly, 0 can be written as 0 by 1 because no digit in the denominator. So we can consider as 1. Now like here, to find the rational numbers in between, we have to make the denominator same. Now we have got 1, but we are not getting any numbers in between. Suppose if here is 0, -1 comes after 0. So we are not getting any numbers in between. So what you have to do, we will have to take any number here to multiply. Means we will have to make the number bigger to get the numbers in between. Okay, so this can be unlimited number. So here, if suppose if I take 6 here to multiply the numerator, the same number will be multiplied by the denominator. So here we are getting -6 by 6. Okay, and since we will have to make the denominator same, so here since I have multiplied by 6, so the same number will be multiplied by 1 also in the next rational number. We will have to just multiply the denominator by 6. Okay, so the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So we are getting 0, 6 zeros are 0 and 6 ones are 6. Now see, here is -1, here we have got -6. Now where is -6 on the number line? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so here is -6 and here is 0, and in between whatever numbers are there, that we will have to write, because the question is we will have to write the 5 rational numbers are between -1 and 0. So this -1 I have expressed as -6 by 6. So that means we will have to write the numbers in between these two. So what are the numbers coming in between? So we have, either we will start from here or we can start from here, and we will go serially. Okay, so here we will write, denominator will remain same, which is 6. So here we are getting -5 by 6, then -4 by 6, then -3 by 6, then -2 by 6, and then we have -1 by 6. Now here we have to write 5 rational numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have got 5 rational numbers in between -1 and 0. Okay, now in the next part we have -2 and 1. So again, this -2 we will have to express as rational number. So how can we express -2 as rational number? Here no digit is present in the denominator, so we can consider as 1. Okay, and here we have 1. So 1 also can be written as 1 by 1. Now since we will have to make the denominator same to get the numbers in between, so we can multiply by any number by the new denominator. Okay, you can take 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, any number you can take to multiply. So here suppose I am multiplying by 5. Okay, so here we are multiplying by 5. So since denominator is multiplied by 5, so the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So we are getting -5 into 2. 5 into -2 is -10, and in the denominator we are getting 5. Now since we will have to make the denominator same, so we will have to make 5 here. So what should be multiplied by 1 to get 5? So it's 1 only. So we will have to multiply by 5. Now the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So we are getting 5 by 5. Now see, one is positive and another is negative. So we are getting many numbers in between. Suppose if we put 0 here, means right side of 0 is all positive numbers. So here we have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here on the number line, and if you place -10 on the number line, here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. That means this is our limit, okay, minus 10 and 5. We will have to write the numbers in between. So since we will have to take 5 rational numbers, so we can take any 5, okay, either we will start from here or we can start from here, okay. So I'm writing the number, I'm writing the negative rational number here. From here I have started doing rational numbers. So here we have, at first we have minus 9, so denominator will remain same, which is 5, so we'll write minus 9 by 5. Then we have minus 8 by 5, then minus 7 by 5, then minus 6 by 5, then minus 5 by 5. Since only 5 rational numbers we need to write, so we have written all 5 rational number, okay. Now in the next part, we have minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So here we have got the denominator. So what we have to do, directly we will just make the denominator same. So in the previous cases, here denominator was not given, so we have considered as 1, then we have taken any number to multiply, then we made the we have taken the same number to multiply. In this way we have got the same denominator. But here we have 2 rational numbers, so what we have to do, we will have to find the LCM of 5 and 3. And what is the LCM of 5 and 3? It's 15. So we will write the 2 rational number which is given. Now what should be multiplied by 5 to get 15? So it's 3, and the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So we have got minus 12 by 15, okay. And see, if you check the next rational number, what should be multiplied by the denominator to get 15? It's 5. So the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So we are getting minus 10 by 15, okay. Now if you see the number line, so here suppose here minus 12 comes and here minus 10, suppose, okay. Suppose here is 0 and here is minus 10. So in between only one number comes, right? Only minus 11 comes in between minus 12 and minus 10. And we need to find 5 rational numbers. So what we have to do, we will have to multiply further by the same number. So you can take any number also here to multiply this. Suppose I'm taking 5 here, you can take 6, 7, 10, any numbers you can take to multiply. But you will have to take the bigger numbers, because you need to write the 5 rational numbers in between. If you take the smaller number, then maybe you are not getting the 5 rational numbers in between. So here I'm taking say 5. So if we in here, at first we will take the number, this 5, to be multiplied by the denominator at first, and then the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So here we are getting minus 60 by 75, okay. And here what should be multiplied, we will have to multiply the same number, because we cannot take any other number except 5, because here we will have to make the denominator same. So if we take another number, you won't be getting 75, so we will have to take 5 only, and the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So minus 10 into 5 is minus 15, 50, and divided by 15 5s are 75. Now if you check that, see in between 60 and 50 and 60, we have got all total 9 rational numbers in between, because we cannot take 60 and we cannot take 50 here. So we can we will get 8 rational numbers in between: 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So we will have 9 rational numbers in between, right? So here you can start from 51. Now the thing is, suppose here is 0 and minus 50, suppose here, then minus 60 comes, okay. So you cannot go farther, means this side we cannot take, means 61, 62 we cannot take. We will have to take the numbers in between of 50 and 60. That means either we will start from here, means 59, 58, 57 like this, or we can start from here, 51, 52, 53 like this, okay. So therefore the 5 rational number will be minus 59 by 75. From here I have started, okay. I'm going back. Okay, so here minus 59 by 75, then minus 58 by 75, then minus 57 by 75, minus 56 by 75, and minus 55 by 75. Okay, now coming to last part. The fourth part we have minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Again we will have to make the denominator same. So for this we will have to find the LCM of 2 and 3. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we will have to make 6 in the denominator. So what should be multiplied? It's 3. And the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So we are getting minus 3 by 6. Similarly, to get 6, 2 should be multiplied by the denominator, and the same number should be multiplied by the numerator also. So we are getting 4 by 6. Now we need to write 5 ration numbers. So suppose if here is 0, 4 comes after 1, 2, 3, here is 4. Okay, and minus 3 comes here, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Here is minus 3 and here is 4. So that in between, how many numbers are coming in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 numbers we are getting in between. So we don't have to multiply further. We have got the 5 ration numbers. Okay, if we don't get the ration numbers in between after making the denominator same, then we will have to multiply further to get the ration numbers in between. Okay, to get the required ration number, whether it is 5, 10, whatever it is. So let's start from here. So minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6, then 1 by 6, then 2 by 6. Okay, so the 5 ration numbers are minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6, 1 by 6, and 2 by 6. Okay, so this was all about question number 1. Thank you, students.